dear friends. Assalamu alaikum. Today I stand before you to suggest you laugh as much as you can, as laughter is the best medicine. You guessed it right. The title of my speech is Laughter is the Best Medicine. We keep on stressing about a lot of things in life, such as our grades, upcoming exams, our career, etc. Greater the stress, the greater is the risk to our health. Our immune system weakens with stress and tension. Laughter is the best medicine to overcome tensions in life. It has the capacity to make us forget all our problems and affect our health positively. Laughter strengthens our immune system, boosts mood, diminishes pain, and protects us from the damaging effects of stress. The tablet of laughter is free of cost, easy to receive, and you don't have to move to buy it from any medical store. It's in your own hands. Someone says that laughter is the language of soul. Dear